We move on to our next speaker, Mr. Vineet Sahni, for the special theme address. Mr. Sahni is a Group Chief Executive Officer of Lumax-DK Jain Group and Senior Executive Director of Lumax Industries Limited. It's a flagship company of the group which oversees the entire operations of the group. A veteran in automotive industry with over 34 years of experience, he has demonstrated his unique leadership style. He has a rich experience of over 20 years in the automotive lighting sector and has been instrumental in promoting self-reliance in technology for Indian engineers. He has an extremely rich techno-commercial background. He is an engineer from Delhi College of Engineering and PG Diploma in Business Management 1989, MSPI Delhi, and started his career with Tata Motors Limited. He has held various senior positions at other major players in the auto components industry. He has recently been conferred with the award for India's Most Trusted CEO 2022, Leader of the Year by WCR, CINT and WCR Leaders. Over to you, Mr. Sahni.
Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tapan San, Sanjay San, Abdul San, Virender San. Thank you for, Virender San, for bringing us together. It is rare that we meet in such occasions. A quick 10 seconds, I need to connect to four corners. Do you hear me? Yeah? Yeah? Last? Yeah? Do you hear me? Yeah? Just one request, I have 10 minutes, I have prepared for you, I want to speak to you, I want to connect to you. Switch off your phones or make it silent. I want your attention. Will I have your attention? Yeah? All right. Please interact. Just 10 minutes. I have just 4 slides, not more. The idea is to give the right message. Why are we meeting today? What's the objective? कंपनी में किसी ने फोर्स किया कि भाई अटेंड कर ले जाके, बॉस बुरा मान जाएगा, हाँ? या वीरेंद्र जा ने बोला भीड़ होनी चाहिए. What's the objective? Okay. Anybody else? So let's keep the objective in mind. Then I will have your attention. It's not a normal talk. Let's have the objective. 10 minutes बहुत important. What is LCA or low cost intelligent automation or industry 4.0? Why? Why do you need it? Yeah? So what's happening with the time? It's running. This is happening, do you agree? Huh? I see very good young people. Huh? बॉस को भी जरूर लाना चाहिए क्योंकि कल्चर फ्लोज फ्रॉम टॉप, राइट? जरूर जाके बता देना क्या डिसाइड हुआ आज. सो दिस इज हैपनिंग, राइट? इन दिस व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स यू कैन रीड. न्यू लेबर कोड इज कमिंग, यूर अवेयर? या ऑल ऑफ यू मस्ट बी अवेयर, इज गोइंग टू बी इंप्लीमेंटेड. Regulations are changing, right? The pressure on the commodity pricing, on the cost is changing. Indian market is becoming more and more competitive. Yes or no? The pace of technology is changing. The rate of change, right? The technologies are getting integrated. The cars of future are becoming like a mobile phone. It's getting integrated. Your home space is going into the car. The bedroom comfort, the dining room, the drawing room comfort is going into the car. Do you agree? So a lot of change is happening. With this, we are all from manufacturing sector, and I understand people are from automotive, people are also from Coca-Cola, people are from other industries. Anybody non-automotive here? Few people. Good. So good to share this experience. So manufacturing has to contribute a lot for the success of an organization. Because a lot of cost rests in manufacturing. So how to do it? There has to be something. There is a conventional way of producing things, and there is a new way of producing things. The new way of producing thing is what you see, and that is our objective. We need to change. We need to adapt to the market. I have personal experiences around 5-6 years ago that I started LCIA department in the organization. I personally added the word I, low cost intelligent automation. ऐसा नहीं है कि कैपेक्स लगा दिया और पता चला कि ऑटोमेशन तो हो गया, कंपनी के पैसे चले गए. So intelligently we need to automate. And India has, all of you have that ability. Trust me. Our mind works frugal. We have that ability for low cost, intelligent automation. And then related to that is Industry 4.0, which is a bigger picture where a lot of things get connected. I'm sure last 2-3 days you would have had more exposure. I'm not going into detail. I can just share. I started Industry 4.0 also experiment in one of our Gujarat plant which supplies to SMG. It's a mixed bag. मजा आया भी, मजा नहीं भी आया. 2 साल हो गए. I didn't achieve what I wanted to, honestly. We spent the money that was budgeted, but I didn't achieve. It did not give the happiness feeling. While we achieved success in pockets, but the integration that was expected did not happen. So we are still working on it. And any new thing, this happens. So then a lot of thought came into mind that we have spent good money. We have hired the best resources, went through SAP. What is it that is holding us? And what is it that would help us achieve it? Can you guess, anybody? पैसा लगा दिया, कंसल्टेंट ले लिए, मजा नहीं आया. Why? So you are absolutely right. People. And this is what I want to convey today, and you are the ones. दूसरा नहीं है कोई, मैं. कहीं मेरी भी कमी रही है. Decision. Driving from the top. The right cadence of review. Top के दिमाग में है कि नहीं पूरी तरह से passion. And then is it flowing down? Is the team passionate? Is the consultant that you have hired is passionate to deliver? I am sure, I think all of you have, if I see your age, at least 5+ experience in the industry, right? 5-10 साल सबका लग रहा है मेरे को. You know the difference between passion and just doing the job. All of you, by now you know. As GETs, we do bunk, you know. But as you grow, you want to work more in the organization. That's a normal cycle. And then you become passionate about something. I'm talking of that passion. Unless you have that passion and decision making, it will not happen, trust me. My idea today is to motivate you that in case you believe that we need to change, which you said you have to, in case you believe that to survive in the changing market, we need to adapt LCA and 4.0 in manufacturing to succeed, then people and decision. That means people who work on it and people who decide. Both have to be into it from the heart. Right? And last slide, I won't talk much. Leave it to you to read. People who don't change will agree? People who change after the change will rather. People who change with the change. आज हम with the change में हैं. But कुछ ऐसा ग्रुप भी होगा जो after the change ट्रेनिंग ले रहा होगा. वो स्ट्रगल करेगा. कुछ ऐसा ग्रुप भी होगा जो कहेगा मेरे को नहीं करना. They will not exist. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. And the last one. People who are the cause of the change will lead. Right? So my intent very clearly to the very young group and energetic group sitting here, become the cause of the change. And if that input you can take from today's meet and this 10 minutes, it will really give me a lot of satisfaction. Thank you so much, and thanks to CII, Virender San, for organizing. Thank you.